Best AR15 Multi-Tool Countdown. Number 6. The Carbon Boss .223 Carbon Removal Tool is purpose-built to deep clean every crevice of your AR-15. It differs from many of the tools on this list in that it doesn't help you disassemble your rifle. Instead, it gives you 16 different scouring, scraping, and brushing tools. Number 5. The MP600 is Gerber's flagship multi-tool as well as the standard issue multi-tool of the U.S. Army. The sight tool is a more specialized version of the MP600 design that includes modifications to standard tools and a front sight adjustment tool. It comes with 15 different tools. Number 4. The GunTool Pro from Real Avid is the general sport shooter's answer to their AR-15 tool. It covers 30 different functions that allow you to work on a range of rifles and shotguns, including the AR-15 platform. It lacks the pliers found on more traditional multi-tools but does include tools like tap hammer, scope turret tool, and pin punch. Number 3. The Leatherman Rail is a specialized multi-tool that allows you to quickly field strip and clean an AR-15 rifle. It's closer in design to a larger one-piece multi-tool than a fold-out tool, coming in at 4.8 inches long and weighing only 2.3 ounces. It provides you with 6 different tools. Number 2. The Leatherman MUT is a tough tool built from the ground up for M4 and AR-15 maintenance. It's a large tool, coming in at 5 inches closed and weighing a full 11.2 ounces. It includes many of the features found on Leatherman's other top-of-the-line multi-tools such as removable, replaceable parts and a dedicated bit driver. Its total loadout provides you with 16 different tools. Number 1. The Real Avid AR-15 tool is a serious workhorse. It was built to provide everything needed for a comprehensive breakdown and deep clean of the AR-15 platform. It's a large tool, but it felt compact considering how much is packed into it. It gives you the tools needed to fill 37 different functions. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit outdoorsmantoolkit.com for a more in-depth review and buyer's guide.